Let's get ready to rumble!
But I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. I'm the best ever. There's no one that can match me. My style is impetuous. My defense is impregnable.
If you're currently holding NVIDIA stock, you may want to listen to what I have to say here in today's video. It is extremely important regarding the end of the year price target, as well as the price action that we expect to see here coming for the next few weeks. And for those that isn't a NVIDIA shareholder, but you're exposed to other AI related stocks, then this video is for you. Due to the fact that what I'm about to explain about NVIDIA may and have a likely chance to bleed over to related stocks in the AI sector, such as Google, AMD, Palantir, as well as Intel. So with that being said, guys, let's dive right.
Okay, let's cut to the chase.
Now, what we're currently seeing, ladies and gentlemen, is a market panic due to a lot of analysts and experts are speculating that we are currently in a AI bubble, which can pop any given moment. We're starting to see a ripple effect happen from that. Just recently, Palantir's CEO and a few other insiders sold more than $250 million worth of PLTR shares due to the rising fear and speculation of an AI bubble. And if this is true, things will get much worse than what we see here today. Even though that NVIDIA has laid out strategic partnerships with other AI companies, their partners is also going to feel the wrath of a AI bubble if we're currently in one. If you ask me, ladies and gentlemen, we're currently undergoing a correction being exaggerated by, again, the fear and speculation of a AI bubble. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this isn't the time to panic. In fact, this is the time you should strongly consider hedging your position here in NVIDIA. During a time of uncertainty, you do want that safety net alongside making money on the downside, especially if you do plan on keeping your position. You want to make money in both directions. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give you a great put option strategy to hedge your position here in NVIDIA for the next 3 weeks. But before we get into all of that, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you won't miss out on home run plays like you see here today. I alerted WSHP for the entry price of only $39 here back on November 14th, just last Friday, 5 trading days ago. And if we take a brief look and check out the price action on WSHP, just 2 days ago, the stock reached a high of $250 and it is currently sitting at $154, again from our alert entry of only $39. And you too can get my alerts in real time. All you have to do is stop what you're doing, drop down in the comment section below, and the Discord link will be pinned. The first 5 people to join the Discord after this recording will get free membership for 6 months. So hope to see you guys soon. And our easy money put strategy for NVIDIA, ladies and gentlemen, and that strike price is $165 for the expiration date of December 5th. If we take a brief look and check out our price calculator so we can get a better understanding on the type of possible gains we may retrieve here from this trade, let's put in the number 165 here and we go towards expiration. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we would walk away with 22% return here from the underlying price if we do hit $165 with 2 days left before expiration. But let's say things go even lower, $160, where we're looking at 128%. If we go as low as 155, then ladies and gentlemen, that's 269%. But if we do achieve these numbers much quicker than 2 days before expiration, then ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at 154% here on Monday. If we do hit $165, if we hit 160 here by Wednesday, then we're looking at 226% turn. With that being said, if you haven't already, don't forget to consider signing up for Moomoo. If you don't understand options really well, they have some great beginner tools that will help you make the right financial decision. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you're currently holding Palantir as well, a great put option strategy here would be the expiration for 12/12, with that strike price being as low as $135. Palantir is looking much more bearish at the moment than NVIDIA due to that mid Bollinger break to the downside here on the weekly chart. If we go back to NVIDIA here really quickly, as you guys can see here, NVIDIA did bounce off that mid Bollinger band, so we may actually see a slight recovery here today. If that doesn't take place, then I feel as though that we're going to find ourselves in a falling wedge due to the fact that we're going to break through that mid Bollinger band and flip this bullish SAR to a bearish SAR, ladies and gentlemen, and that spells total chaos. More often than not, stocks tend to actually challenge the lower band after doing things like that, so it's going to be very, very interesting the price action that NVIDIA sees here today. Now, a great buy zone, ladies and gentlemen, for NVDA. I do feel as though that is going to present itself between the ranges of $170 as low as $162. I do feel as though that the stock will reach and breach those $200 levels here yet again early in the year 2026. And for those that have made it this far in the video, I just want to take a quick poll, ladies and gentlemen, and see which city and state is currently dominating the viewership. So comment the city and state you're currently watching the channel from, and may the gains be with you.